Welcome to Casa Lohr, a stunning example of architectural restoration in Mérida, Yucatán. Designed by Veinte Diezz Arquitectos, this home transforms the ruins of a colonial house into a luxurious, modern residence, blending historical elements with contemporary aesthetics. The facade preserves the traditional colonial style, marked by a restored front wall with aged textures. The juxtaposition of old stonework and modern clean lines defines the home's volumes. The primary structure consists of flat, minimalist forms, incorporating large openings that integrate the exterior and interior spaces. Casa Lohr's construction respects the existing ruin, using it as the foundation while adding new materials like white cement and natural stone. The architecture maintains the historical essence through careful restoration, using traditional masonry techniques combined with modern construction systems. The layout centers around an open courtyard, typical of Yucatecan homes. Upon entering, you find yourself in a vast living space that connects to a kitchen and dining area. The main house opens onto a pool and garden, with bedrooms located in separate wings, ensuring privacy. The design emphasizes fluid movement between indoor and outdoor spaces, creating a sense of spaciousness. Natural light floods the house through large, strategically placed windows and skylights. The courtyard acts as the primary source of daylight, while smaller openings throughout the house illuminate the interiors. At night, warm, recessed lighting highlights the textures of the old stone walls, creating a cozy ambience. Materials play a crucial role in maintaining the harmony between old and new. Original stone walls from the colonial structure are complemented by modern white cement finishes. Polished concrete floors provide a sleek, durable foundation that contrasts with the rawness of the stone and wood elements. The use of locally sourced materials reinforces the connection to the region's architectural heritage. The interior decor is minimalist, with furniture pieces chosen to complement the home's natural tones. Rustic wooden elements, woven textiles, and subtle artwork add warmth to the stark concrete surfaces. The simplicity of the furnishings allows the architecture to take center stage, enhancing the feeling of serenity throughout the home. The central courtyard is lush and vibrant, creating a peaceful outdoor oasis. The pool is surrounded by tropical plants, providing a refreshing contrast to the neutral tones of the house. The landscaping extends the natural environment into the living areas, fostering a seamless connection between the built and natural worlds. Casa Lohr is a remarkable fusion of history and modernity. The thoughtful restoration of the colonial structure, combined with contemporary design materials, results in a tranquil, luxurious residence that remains deeply connected to its cultural and architectural roots. This home is a beautiful testament to the power of thoughtful, context-sensitive design.